If you're car shopping, make sure you steer clear of these disappointing models. These are the 15 worst cars that nobody wants, according to Consumer Reports. From unreliable engines to costly repairs, these vehicles have frustrated owners on a global scale. Let's start this off with the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. At first glance, it might look like a powerhouse, but under the hood, it's a different story. Owners have reported jerky shifts, delayed acceleration, and complete transmission failures. All serious issues for a full-size heavy-duty truck. Consumer Reports flagged its unreliable automatic transmission, which frequently breaks down. Many drivers also complain about electrical glitches, stiff ride quality, and inconsistent braking performance. Despite the Silverado's impressive towing capacity, these persistent problems make it one of the least desirable trucks in its class. If reliability matters, look elsewhere for a better option. Next up, we have the glamorous Jeep Wrangler. The 2018 to 2022 models have faced criticism when it comes to reliability and comfort. Consumer Reports rated the 2018 model's reliability below average due to frequent mechanical problems. Owners have reported issues with the suspension and drive system, including steering and transmission faults. The Wrangler's on-road handling is often described as poor, with a stiff suspension leading to an uncomfortable ride. Despite its off-road capabilities, these persistent issues make it way less appealing for daily driving. Potential buyers with a practical approach should consider these factors when evaluating the Wrangler for regular use. At number 3, we have the Nissan Altima 2013 to 2021. It too has been plagued at the hands of its continuously variable transmission, CVT issues, leading to numerous complaints. Drivers have reported shuddering, jerking, and acceleration problems, with some experiencing complete transmission failure. A class action lawsuit highlighted these defects, stating that affected vehicles often experience sudden shaking and violent jerking, posing a safety risk. Despite Nissan extending the CVT warranty to 10 years or 120,000 miles for 2003 and 2010 models, similar issues persisted in later years. Owners of 2013-2021 Altimas have faced costly repairs, with some transmission replacements occurring well before 100,000 miles. Moving on to number 4, the 2018 to 2022 Ford EcoSport has faced notable reliability challenges. Reported transmission issues, including bucking, jerking, and gear slippage, lead to serious concerns about the vehicle engine problems such as stalling randomly, and coolant leaks have been documented far too often, with some cases resulting in complete engine failure. These issues even prompted a recall for models equipped with the somewhat underpowered 1-liter EcoBoost engine, due to a faulty oil pump that was leading to the engine failures. Apart from that, the poor build quality makes for a rather below-average experience when it comes to the drive and comfort even for a subcompact. At number 5, the 2020 to 2023 Tesla Model X leads the charge for EVs with several reliability challenges. In January 2025, Tesla recalled over 200,000 vehicles due to faulty onboard computers that could short-circuit, disabling safety features on board. Additionally, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration investigated 74,918 Tesla vehicles for front suspension failures. While the investigation concluded without evidence of compromised vehicle control, these issues have nonetheless raised concerns among owners and potential buyers. Prospective Model X buyers should consider these factors when gauging the vehicle's reliability. The Mitsubishi Mirage has garnered attention for its affordability and fuel efficiency, and rightly so. It does, however, fall short in some pretty critical areas. Lacking effective soundproofing, it makes for uncomfortably noisy drives. Although some might be willing to compromise on that, given the affordable price tag, there are issues that are hard to overlook due to safety concerns. Faulty brakes and electrical system malfunctions have consistently been reported. On top of that, the Mirage's 3-cylinder engine delivers underwhelming performance, making drives on the highway challenging. The 2009 and 2010 Dodge Journey models have been taking a hit too. In 2009, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration received 1,067 complaints. Owners reported premature brake wear due to pads or rotors, engine stalling potentially caused by debris in the cylinder head, and electrical system failures. The 2010 model continued this trend, with complaints about the totally integrated power module, TIPM, leading to unexpected horn activation and malfunctioning central locking systems. And that, apart from being unreliable, makes it unpredictable as well. The 2015 and 2017 Chrysler 200 also proves to be significantly unreliable, due to issues concerning its transmission and engine. Almost 50% of the owners report frequent transmission failures. Common complaints include erratic shifting and gear slipping before the transmission failure occurs. Additionally, the 2.4-liter Tiger Shark engine in some 2015 to 2016 models has been known for excessive oil consumption, leading to potential engine damage. These issues have severely impacted the vehicle's reputation, making it one of the least desirable mid-size sedans in the market. Next up, we have the Fiat 500L. The 2014 to 2020 model specifically faced notable challenges. According to IC Cars, it ranks 32nd out of 43 in the small car category, with a reliability score of 7 out of 10. The approximate lifespan is 117,364 miles, or 10.2 years, with only a 0.5% chance of reaching 200,000 miles without breaking down dozens of times. Consumer Report data indicates that the 2014 model experienced issues across 17 potential trouble spots, including the engine that overheats, transmission, gearbox issues, electrical system, and to top it all off, the build quality is an absolute compromise. These reasons make it easy to not even consider this compact, even if you're on a budget. The 2013 to 2016 Chevrolet Spark models join the list too, with a low reliability rating, ranking 29th out of 43 in the small car category. Its average lifespan is approximately 123,694 miles. But during that, owners have reported excessive oil consumption and AC heater failures caused by weak airflow. Substandard wiring leads to electrical failures, particularly in the 2013 and 2014 models. These concerns don't just mean it's unreliable, they make for a practically unsafe car too. At number 11, we have the mighty Land Rover Discovery Sport. A seemingly rugged vehicle we would all like to associate with reliability, ranked 73rd out of 75 vehicles, with tons of owner-reported issues. Common problems include faulty valve blocks and leaks in air springs resulting in failed air suspension. Then there have been reports of worn-out gaskets and seals leading to annoying leaks. If not tended to, these leaks start causing the engine to overheat. Apart from the oil leaks, if you're unlucky enough, your Land Rover may give you water leaks around the sunroof as well, which is common in older models. Next, we have the 2021 to 2023 Cadillac Escalade. There are reports of gears slipping while accelerating or decelerating with instability in the suspension, especially at higher speeds. That ain't scary enough. General Motors recalled several thousand vehicles, including the 2021 Escalade, due to a transmission defect that could cause rear wheel lockup, increasing the risk of crashing. With this track record, you can be sure that this absolute beast of a vehicle is going to cost you a fortune in repairs, instead of giving you the reliability we ideally seek. Number 13 is proof that renowned German engineering can be flawed too. Mercedes-Benz GLE, according to Consumer Reports, proves to be less reliable than the average car, based on data from the 2022 and 2024 models. 2023 GLE has been subject to multiple recalls due to infotainment and sensor faults. Remember, this is a luxury car that depends heavily on its onboard sensors to operate safely. Next up is the 2020 to 2023 Ford Explorer and its significant safety issues. In August of 2024 alone, the popular American manufacturer recalled approximately 85,000 Explorer SUVs from the 2020 to 2022 model years due to an engine fire risk associated with potential oil and fuel leaks in the engine compartment. Another less severe but equally harmful problem was faulty steering hoses causing leaks and potential fluid loss. Number 15, Range Rover. We have another high-end contender at number 1, the 2018 to 2023 Range Rover. Due to more reasons one can imagine, it too has earned a reputation for poor reliability. Owners frequently report an electrical system failure where the alternator and electrical control unit causes difficulty in starting and dimming the headlights. This annoyingly spreads the malfunctioning to touchscreens, sensors, and keyless entry problems, turning dreams of luxury into nightmares. Another major problem is the regular overheating of the engine. The fact that a combination of leaky radiators, water pump malfunctions, and faulty thermostats are the culprits make it a messy challenge to repair and maintain. Range Rover consistently falls below industry averages, making it one of the least dependable luxury SUVs. These 15 cars might look tempting, but according to Consumer Reports, they come with more headaches than they're worth. Would you still take on any of these cars? Let us know in the comments down below.